Wait, what? The legendary Mitsubishi Montero is coming back in 2028, and you won't believe what they've done to it. If you loved the old beast, you need to hear this now before everyone else does. Remember when the Mitsubishi Montero ruled the off-road world? That unstoppable SUV that could climb mountains, cross deserts, and still take your family to soccer practice? Well, buckle up, because Mitsubishi just dropped a bombshell that's shaking the entire automotive industry. The 2028 Montero isn't just coming back, it's coming back as an absolute monster. Here's what we know so far, and trust me, this gets crazy. Mitsubishi's design team spent the last 3 years secretly developing this beast, and the leaked specs are insane. We're talking about a complete reimagining of what made the Montero legendary, but with 2028 technology that'll blow your mind. First up, the powertrain. Forget everything you knew about the old Montero. The 2028 version is rumored to pack a hybrid system combining a turbocharged V6 with dual electric motors. Total output, around 450 horsepower and over 500 pound-feet of torque. That's more power than most sports cars packed into an off-road ready SUV body. But here's where it gets interesting. Mitsubishi isn't just throwing power at this thing. They've developed what they're calling adaptive terrain intelligence, an AI-powered system that literally reads the ground ahead using cameras and sensors, then adjusts suspension, power delivery, and differential locks before you even hit the obstacle. It's like having a professional off-road driver's brain built into your SUV. Now let's talk looks, because this is where opinions will split. The design team took inspiration from both the classic boxy Montero from the 90s and modern aerodynamic needs. Picture this: aggressive, squared-off wheel arches, a massive blacked-out grille, and LED light bars integrated into a design that screams, "I own the wilderness." But wait, there's more. Step inside, and you're greeted with a massive 17-inch vertical touchscreen. But here's the genius part. Mitsubishi kept physical buttons for critical off-road functions. Why? Because when you're knee-deep in mud or crawling over rocks, you don't want to fumble through touchscreen menus. They actually listen to real off-roaders. Premium leather, ambient lighting that adjusts to driving mode, and a sound system that'll make your neighbors jealous. This isn't your dad's utilitarian Montero. This is luxury meets capability. Here's the feature that has everyone talking: removable battery packs. Yes, you read that right. The electric components use modular batteries that can be removed and used as portable power stations for camping. Imagine powering your entire campsite from your SUV's battery pack. That's innovation. Now, the million-dollar question. Actually, not quite $1 million. Insiders are suggesting a starting price around $55,000 for the base model, with fully loaded versions pushing $75,000. Considering what you're getting, that's actually competitive with the current Land Cruiser and 4Runner market. The 2028 Mitsubishi Montero isn't just a comeback, it's a statement. Mitsubishi is telling the world they're back in the SUV game, and they're not playing around. So here's my question for you. Would you buy the 2028 Montero, or are you sticking with the competition? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you're as hyped as I am about this monster's return, smash that like button and subscribe, because we'll have exclusive updates as more details drop. The Montero is back, and it's coming for the crown.